Hello students, welcome back to our session. Today we are in the topic peace and harmony. In the topic a very important concept which will be useful throughout our academic life. That is nothing but writing skills. What is that we are going to learn in our writing skills today? That is invitation. How to draft an invitation. That invitation can be for any kind of public gathering, a family invitation or friendly invitation, any kind of invitation. There are few rules and regulations which has to be followed without missing. So here is that list. Date and time should be mentioned in invitation. See, just like that, if a card is given without letting them know about when to come, where to come and at what time to come, how will they attend our function? It's impossible, right? So, date, time and venue are very important parts of invitation. Whatever may be the kind of invitation, these three are important. Any kind of invitation you will find date, time and venue. Alright. Depending on the kind of invitation, you will have guest of honor. For example, if it is our school annual day invitation card, there we will have guest of honor. For example, in your branch you are organizing annual day and for your branch the guest of honor is our chairman sir, Mr. Raju Sangani sir. Yes, so here you will give the heading guest of honor and you will write the guest of honor's name here. And followed by cultural programs. What kind of cultural programs are you organizing in your annual day function? How many? All those also can be put up here. What kind of cultural programs? And depending on the requirement, if you want to add, you can add welcome address. Who is going to welcome the gathering? Yes? So, welcome address is up to you. Whether you want to add, you can add. If you don't want to add, you can skip this. But vote of thanks is very important. Okay. So, here what all did we cover so far? Date, on what date is this function being organized, at what time are we expected to attend that function, and where is it? Where are we supposed to go? Where is this function going to be held? Date, time and venue, all these three are very important. And if it is annual day kind of function or a science exhibition or food festival or any kind of other celebrations, you can have this guest of honor, cultural programs, list of cultural programs, welcome address and at the end vote of thanks. Finally, for every kind of discourse we will have few salutations. The same way here, all are welcome. This is a common one. Whatever may be the invitation, at the end you can put all are welcome. And who is welcoming? Who is preparing this invitation? The head of the family or head boy or head girl of the school? Who is the person in charge for preparing this invitation? Their name, or is it on behalf of your school if someone is inviting their name? Otherwise, the name of the principal or name of the head of the department can be put here by so and so, by Masterminds Mitchell or Masterminds Suchitra or Masterminds XYZ. You can put up the name there. Okay, so in our topic, in page number 11, we have an invitation given here. Here is an invitation card from the animals about a musical program in the forest. We all very much know that quite often all the animals in the forest will organize musical evenings. Yes, so here they have got their own invitations. Not only we people have invitations, even these animals will have invitations. So here is an example of how these animals have prepared their invitation card on page number 11 in your textbook. So what all are there? Invitation heading. What is the kind of invitation? Musical program. If you are preparing invitation of your annual day, you can give the heading as annual day invitation card. And then what is the first point? Venue. Where is this happening? Venue is this annual day in your school ground, or you have you booked any amphitheater, or have you booked any function hall? Based on that, venue will be changing. Guest of honor. Who are being invited as guest of honor? Their name. Whom did these animals invite for their musical evenings? Can you guess? Can you recall? Yes, moon and stars were guest of honors there. And welcome address. Who will give this welcome address? Peacock. Peacock gives the welcome address, and here are the list of cultural programs, and at the end all are welcome. All the animals in the forest are welcome. And who is giving this invitation? Under whom is this program being organized? By animals of the forest. So this way invitation can be prepared. Did I miss anything in this? Can you guess what I missed explaining in this? A very important one. Did I mention date and time? Did I mention date and time? No. So here we have date and time. Date, time, venue are very important. Don't forget this. And also this invitation should be either in square shaped block or rectangular shaped block, and it should be very catchy. Catchy in the sense attractive. Okay students, so this is for our today's session. And today I would like to give you all one beautiful task. I already gave many hints about it. Okay, so here looking at this as your hint invitation card, I request you all to prepare an invitation card. What invitation card will you prepare? Okay, I will ask you all to prepare an invitation card of your school annual day. We all celebrated our annual day. Yes? So, considering those events, prepare a beautiful invitation card. You can use your color pencils, you can use sketch, you can use crayons. Yes, you can use color papers. Don't make it very lengthy, make it a short one. Okay children? Thank you all. Thank you.